How did parrots learn to talk? In the year 2005, there was a parrot called Steve with yellow and blue feathers, and he lived with a man called Alex. They lived in a tropical tree, and the tropical tree was in the tropical forest. And Alex was the tallest man on earth. One day, Steve saw people cutting down trees when Alex was in the kitchen making food. Steve was flying around Alex's head to warn him. But Alex does not understand because he doesn't speak parrot language. Alex sees the tree falling and runs away and says we were in danger. Next month, there was a hurricane, but Alex didn't saw it because he was searching fruits for him, but Steve knew that Alex wasn't here, so he screeched, "Alex, Alex!" Steve saw Alex coming back. Steve saw the hurricane. He tried to warn Alex. Steve flew around Alex's head, but Alex didn't understand. He heard loud windy noises and ran away. Alex waited until the storm is over. Alex said we were in danger. Then the next day, the forest is on fire because bad people are fuming. Steve saw it, tried to warn Alex, but flying around Alex's head didn't work. Screeching crack, but it still didn't work. Steve remembered a word. Danger! Alex looked and saw the fire, ran away, and was safe. That's how they did for saying there's danger. Alex said a word, danger, often, so Steve learned it and could repeat it when there's danger. That's how parrots learn to talk.